welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, Jason, a tortilla. We got Hershey's Fudge filled, I don't know, limited edition. Says it goes great with ice cream. I don't know why they suggest you should have another dessert with your dessert. The indulgent taste of Hershey's inspired fudge filling now paired with your favorite cookie. There you go. Message right there. But here we go. I'm excited. This is Chewy Chips Ahoy Fudge filled. So here we go. Ooh, that's chocolatey smelling. There it is. Nice, soft, chewy Chips Ahoy. And it's fudge filled, baby. Let's break it. Oh my goodness.